In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booklet in Canva. We'll start on the Canva homepage. Click Create. Then in the search bar type Booklet and choose the Booklet option. If you prefer to build from a blank canvas, click Create a Design and pick a standard size like a 4 or US letter. These sizes are ideal for printing and help ensure your pages line up properly when produced. Next, decide whether to use a template or start from scratch. Browsing templates is a great way to get consistent layouts, fonts, and colors right out of the gate, which saves time and keeps your design cohesive. Just note that crown icons indicate pro features. If you are starting with a blank page, you'll have full control over every element from the beginning. Now let's customize your booklet. For text, double-click any text box to edit the content. Use clear headings and keep paragraphs short, so your booklet is easy to read. For images, you can upload your own or choose from Canva's library. Drag photos directly onto template image placeholders to replace them and aim for high-resolution images so they print crisply. To build structure and visual interest, open the left panel and add elements like shapes, icons, and graphics. Simple lines and boxes can help separate sections, highlight quotes, or guide the eye through your content. Manage your pages as you go. Add new pages for each section. Delete any you don't need or duplicate a finished page to reuse its layout. Make sure you include all inner pages, as well as a front and back cover, so the booklet reads in the correct order. Keeping margins consistent and aligning text boxes will give you a cleaner, more professional look. If you've set up a brand kit, apply your brand colors and fonts for instant consistency. This keeps your booklet on brand without having to manually adjust every page. When everything looks good, it's time to finalize and download. Review each page at full size and zoom in to check alignment, spacing, and clarity. Confirm that headings, body text, and captions are readable and that images are placed exactly where you want them. Then click the Share button in the top right. Choose Download and select PDF Print for the best quality. This option ensures sharp text and images. If you are sending the file to a print shop, consider enabling crop marks and bleed in the download settings so trimming is precise and any edge. To edge colors or images extend cleanly to the page edge. Thanks for watching.